a cup of water.
That ain't Patron, boo.
I know it's water. Is it water?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You poured it in the Patron now.
Wait,
I
man.
had to put Patron already.
Better drink that water. Oh, here you go with that upside down shit. What kind of shit is that?
So you should play.
That shit don't be working.
Yes, it does.
Who
Yes,
played
that does. I
Please
did.
squeak one more time.
It's on you, people. That shit works. That's one thing I realized actually does work. Upside down hiccups. That
You got the
works.
hiccups on?
What works is holding your breath
I'm
for
done.
30 seconds.
No. You drink some water upside down, your hiccups go away. Straight real.
Who did that?
What?
Who
Oh,
does
let me see
it
how that's
cake?
book.
Last book.
I didn't take that.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I was Boo Boo took that.
Boo Boo took the king. Oh no, he cut it.
Who we went for?
A 7. No, she just